Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download song from Suno AI via phone. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Suno AI website. Once on the Suno AI website, click on the Create button to begin creating a song which looks like this music icon. Now, enter the song description or any specific details you want to include. After entering the song details, click on the Create button to let Suno AI create the song for you. Wait until the song generation process is complete. Once the song is fully generated, located in your Suno AI account, click on the three dots next to the song title to open a menu. Then select the download option in the download menu. You'll have options to download either the video or audio version of the song. Select video if you want the video format or choose audio for the audio-only version. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file on your device. Verify that the downloaded song matches your expectations and plays correctly. So that's basically how you can download song from Suno AI via phone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.